This is the floating shadow tail.
That's a floating shadow tail. Let me see.
And these are the wings of the shadow tail.
Wow. It's very creative, guys. Oh, it's really, oh. With a neck pa and head. And there's a wings pa. Floating, what's this? Shadow tail? With a tail pa. Good job, anak. He's really a good builder.
The foot of the wings.
The foot of the wings right here.
It's
It's like right here, because this is this foot, and then there's wings. Foot, then wings, wings.
Like a wings.
Tail.
It has feathers, I think.
Yep. Good job.
Spider foot, I think.
You're gonna be you wanna be an architect?
And
Matthias?
yeah.
Yeah.
And
He wants to
this is
build a
the
building.
guns. And this is
Hopefully
guns
one day you're gonna be an architect.
This is guns only.
Oh, wow. This is guns here. That's cool, because look, it's really like precise right here. With the gun. There's a toy. Oh, very nice.
And these are the legs of the spider.
Wow. So this is half spider in here that it's stick on the wall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this robot have legs of a spider. It would climb on the wall. That's really
It's a
cool.
little bit of a robot.
Yeah. That's really cool, babe. You did a good job. That's why Daddy likes to buy you guys blocks, because you have this beautiful imagination to build things. Really cool. Oh. With a neck pa in there. Really cool, Matthias. I love it. It's so cool.
It's a trap.
Did you know that Daddy said when I sent the picture? He said, wow, that's so cool.
It will
You've been building
disappear.
very good a dinosaur
It
now.
will disappear.
Good job.
The body, everything.
So this is tiny cubes, guys. This is
You
also
need
used
to
for
beat
like the
feathers,
math.
all the feathers.
You could use
and
these
the
blocks
guns
and for
and the
building.
robot, not
Just
the
very
head.
nice.
Don't chop the head. Just the neck and this.
Here, this is a long neck here, right here, and then the head.
This is the hard spot.
The gun area down here, and then this is the feet, and this is the hand. Also the hand. Look at the tail. I love this tail.
Hard part is the red stuff.
Yeah, the red stuff is the hard part.
Yeah, you need
Look at that.
to
Oh,
careful with the red part.
you're building this very good. I love it. We got Matthias here. Ang Matthias nag-build of... What are you building now, Matthias?
A glider.
A glider. Show it to mommy. Show it
It
to me.
can glide.
Let's show. Boy. Glide. Whoop. Go back up here. Go show it to here. Show it to mommy here. Closer.
The whack-a-mole.
Guacamole?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at Ezekiel's building, guys. Look, they like building this one. It's like a robot.
Yeah, I built a
Wow, I love that.
I built it.
Matthias first this morning, he built, it's like a robot that it could stick, that could walk into the wall. It's like half Spider-Man. That's what he said. Look, now, Ezekiel built this one. And now this one, did you build the glider? Yeah, earlier this morning, it's like a dinosaur.
Mom, they did the whack-a-mole.
Guacamole robot.
Yeah.
Look, it's really glider because look at those
build
wings.
it.
Whoop. Wow, really nice.
This one don't.
Here. Wow, that's so cool, Ezekiel. Good job.
Punch the
Punch.
bad eye.
Yep, we have a two builder here in the house.
And what
Hopefully, I have a future architect or engineer in this family. That's gonna be cool.
was the punch?
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oi!
That turns like bad eyes.
Wow.
That turbo pep, it turns like bad eyes.
Yep. Look at this glider. It's so long, Matthias. Good job.
And
That's really cool.
you turn my one short too.
Which one is wing? Which one is short? Ah, the other one short, huh? This one is long. Good job. Yeah. Look.
And the red
I
one
video
is
it,
the
Ezekiel.
toughest.
He wants to show it too because his robot for this one. Good job, guys.
And yet this one can do upside down like here. What did time
This is what they do whenever
that
after
can
their
do-
school or before school. Wow, what's that? Oh, that's a bomb?
Yeah, to fight bad eyes.
Wow, I love it.
It's the big
Look at
dragon.
brother is adding, what's that head?
No, that's the guns too.
That's a guns. Wow, that's really cool, robot.
More
You could
than
use this one too, guys. This one is a math linking cubes. So you can use this also. This is educational toys for math, and then they could also build anything like animals, improve their imagination and creativity. My boy, especially Matthias, loves to build. Look at that. Look at this neck. Neck, and then head. And then here, this is a glider, and then look at the tail. Good job. I love it.
I'm building a
And then sometimes they will do origami too. This one, this is a pteranodon. Pterodactyl or pteranodon? I don't know. And this one, pterodactyl. Good job, boys. Ito na sa kwarto. So, ito yun sila, guys. Oh. So, ito may yung mga build nila. Oh. Klase-klase. Klase-klase ang build. But yes, build this one too. Oh. Oh. Very cool. Oy. Broken na. Skinny food. Ezekiel build this. And this one. Daghan pa ni sila, guys. Napa ni siya niya. Napa ni sila yung black nga ni dad ko. Pagsawaan na nila, but they still build with this one. But this one, this is the new one. The matte linking cubes. So cool. We just get this one, guys. Nakita namin sa thrift store, isang bag. Pero napa ni siya. Gusto mo, nakaswerte lang dyan mga naani siya sa kuan. Si daddy ang kuan ani kita. Talaga to. It's really cool. Very good ni siya using para pang math. Tapos kuan. Mag-build inyong mga anak. Aside sa focus sa mathematics, they give them time to build them something. Let their imagination do through building. Ang Matthias yun. Hindi mo siya. What you draw na?
like this guy.
The dragon?
That's it.
Oh, this one. So that's what in imagination, because it's very cool. That one, there's wings, and then that one. So that's it's supposed to be head, and this is the tail. I don't know, and then this glider daw. Hopefully one day, muna akong master builder na bata. Muna daghan na sila pag if we're stuck here inside the house because it's raining, na may puzzle, na may origami, o ma-enhance ng ilahang kuan sa ilahang panghuna-huna building.
Origami and color
Yep.
can be mixed.
It's very good, huh? Like just activity inside the house.
And like that will be
That keep them busy. At the same time, they will learn.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.